Okay, Algebra 2, problem 2.1.20. It's another one just like the last one where you have to identify all of your transformations. So the -3 out in front, that's going to flip it over the x-axis. That's going to stretch it 3 vertically. The x plus 1 is going to shift it 1 to the left, and the -3 is going to move it down 3. So where do we have all those over here in our list? Did it shift the graph 1 to the right? No, that's 1 to the left. Did it shift the graph 3 units down? Yep, that's 3 down. Did it stretch the graph vertically by a factor of 3? Yeah, it's also going to flip it. Did it shrink the graph vertically? No, that would be a 1/3. Did it shift the graph 3 up? No, that's 3 down. Did it shrink the graph horizontally by a factor of 3? No, there's no shrinking or stretching horizontally. A stretch is a 1/2, a shrink is a 3 there. So did it reflect the graph about the x-axis? If it goes over the x-axis, oh, that's up and down. So if it goes over the x-axis, there'd be a negative out in front. Yes, it did reflect over the x-axis. That's the negative in front of the 3 here. Stretch the graph horizontally by a factor? No horizontal stretch here at all. Did it reflect or shrink? Reflect the graph about the y-axis. So that would be, if you're going horizontally like this, that'd be your x changing. So there'd be a negative in front of the x, so no. Reflect the graph over, oops, that's the one I just did. Shift the graph 1 to the left, 1 left. That's right there, yes. So there's all my transformations for my example on 2.1.20 in Algebra 2. No, you sit in the spot on there. Hopefully I got the right, is that the, oh, let's click on this period 1 blue. Yes. Hey, Bart. How was the hike?
Good, I got fried.
You look like you're already toned down probably a little bit.
Yeah, it got pretty bad.
I would expect you to be like more aware than that.
I
Just
forgot to put sunscreen on.
0?
Yep, no sunscreen.
A hat?
I did for some of it, but on part of it I needed a helmet, so I didn't have any covering on my forehead and nose.
Oh.
So I was without.
You don't look like you're that bad, I don't think.
Oh, it's not very good. My nose is worse.
Can't see that part.
Yeah, yes, it started blistering up here.
Oh no, and then you got a mask rubbing on top of it.
Yeah, that doesn't hurt so much. That's all right.
Just seems like you're just, oh man.